How can I use Claude to connect with Canva? Want to connect Claude with Canva? Let's set it up step by step. So go ahead and open Claude AI and then head over into your profile at the bottom left, select settings, and then on settings, head over to the connectors tab and then click on browse connectors beside connectors, and that will take you here. So use the search bar and search for Canva. Now on the results, you'll find Canva, click on it and click on connect. So sign in with your Canva account and grant Claude permission to access your workspace. Tap a prop in Claude, like create a 5-slide pitch deck, and Claude will generate a Canva draft automatically. Open the draft in Canva to customize with templates, brand kits, and drag and drop editing. From Claude, you can export designs as images, PDFs, or presentations, or share them directly from Canva. And that is how to connect Claude with Canva.